It said continual engine damage possible.
Let's see if it comes back on, but let's hope it's just a one-time thing that we can make it home, and then hopefully it starts up. We were just at a stoplight. I didn't even push it.
All of the night I hear them outside, calling for me, yeah. Calling for me when you packed outside, yeah. Back out, sex. I take no feeling when you lack out.
Hey, good morning, everyone. So it's now the next day. Before we head on to restoring the other headlight, I'm gonna help my dad out this morning by taking his car to go get 2 new tires for the back. We're gonna load those up right now, and then also I'm gonna show you guys how to change out the cabin air filter on his car. It's a quick, simple DIY. It shouldn't take less than like 5 minutes. So let's go ahead and we'll get started on those 2 things, and then we'll get back to the headlight. That's probably the cleanest headlight I've ever seen on an E90. Yo. Here's my engine. All right, guys, so the cabin air filter is actually right here. So it's actually super easy to do really quick. You just need to remove these 4 bolts, 1, 2, 3, 4.
Guys, look, I know this motor frontwards and backwards, okay? I know where everything is.
He doesn't even know what it's called.
My engine. It's the N52. Or is it the N51?
Alright guys, so you see this airbox? We're completely taking all that out. We're gonna put supercharger here.
Look
that'll be belt driven.
They zip tied the air relief valve.
Oh, come on!
They did what Max was gonna do.
Bam! It's made out of hockey sticks and a piece of wood. And it's 8 hours custom, man.
It's smart, extra protection. Yeah, so supercharger is gonna be going here. It's gonna be belt driven. Metal braided cable lines for the brake system.
Metal walls.
We're gonna be doing interior swap. Gito can have my old seats if he wants them. I don't really find them that comfortable.
Okay, guys. So after you remove those 4 bolts, simply just lift it up like this.
That is disgusting.
Pops up pretty easy. There's just a clip right here, clip right here, clip right here. Bada bing, bada boom.
Let me smell.
It smells weird.
What is that? It's a weird smell. It's like pure dust or something. Gito literally shoved his face in it. All right, let's do a comparison, guys, between the old and the new. We'll put the old one right here and the new one, opening it up right now. Oh, wow. That's a pretty big difference.
Make sure the clips are pushed in. And boom, it's in. Now simply just follow the reverse. Is going to be trying to get these things to fit in here since it's a coupe. I'm hoping that the back seats fold down.
Look how wide my tires are. It's like a Corvette tires back here.
Interesting story. When I got mine.
Yep.
Take the tires in the back.
All right, let's go. By the way, guys, this is the next day. So they're fully cured now. Well, one of them is. And you can see just how much more clear it is. Almost brand new, to be honest. Like I said, the only imperfections is like right here. But other than that, it's looking 100 times better than this. It's gonna look awesome once both of them are done.
Alright guys, so we just got my rear tires replaced, so now we're all good. No slip, no nothing. We got grippy tires ready for the next roll.
Gito?
In the beginning, I said I'm ready to do my dad's tires.
He was just joking, these are my car. But either way, we're gonna be heading out, getting something to eat, and then we'll be heading back to the house. So we're gonna fix the yellowing on his headlights. Hey guys, so it is now day 3. I know I said yesterday I was gonna get back to the second headlight. Sorry if there was like a discontinuation between days, or like
that you had
between each video.
I'm trying to get better at recording more things and like trying to create more video like in between days and whatnot, like trying to make the whole experience more continuum, if you see what I'm saying. I'm still getting used to talking to the camera, so if it seems like I jump from like one scene to the next, just know that I know that, and I'm trying to fill in those gaps with more video as much as I can. So, and the thing about the headlight restoration, it needs to be in direct sunlight, so if I would have started it after, there wouldn't have been enough sunlight for it to cure, so I had to put it off for another day. So it is now day 3. Right now what we're gonna do is we're gonna get started on sanding down the headlight, but before I do that, I need to actually mask off the outer edges of the headlight with masking tape. So let's mask the headlights right now.
Alright, Gito, tell him what's going on.
My dad actually hooked it up with some blue masking tape.
You're my brother, right? I'm gonna hook you up with all I can do, 50%.
Never used this before. You have your tape on the top and then you have your plastic on the bottom. The only problem is it's like super thin, so it rips really easily. They should have made it double-sided. We're wrapping the car anyway, so. Where's the Max? Don't waste that. That's expensive.
It's water. Alright guys, next we're gonna be doing wet sanding.
You guys can see the water is yellow, so you want to keep wet sanding until the water is clear. I think I put too many coats on the first one. It's, you can see it like kind of drips down right there, so I might have used all the spray on the first coat, so we'll see if we have enough for the second headlight. But if not, we have the second kit that we bought, so it shouldn't be a problem. But just for future reference, when you guys are doing it, only do one pass.
Wow, man. Gito's showing his true colors over here. We're not returning it. They don't even have a return policy. Gito, give me my money. Put it in!
Alright guys, I'm taking this off because the wind just keeps making it flap in the wind and making the headlight wet, which is not gonna be good later on. So this stuff is garbage. I'm just gonna put regular masking tape.
Camera on me. Alright guys, so today is the day. We're finally wrapping the E90.
Alright, so I gave it another round of sanding, and it's pretty even all around now, the cloudiness. So now we're gonna go ahead and wipe it down with the alcohol wipe it came with and spray it down. So let's do that.
Why do you say it like that? Do that.
Alright guys, I have it all masked off now, so now let's move on to the spraying phase. Hopefully we have enough.
Plan B. I'm like,
Before the stuff dries.
It's already drying. Nope, too late.
Come on.
Here, we have to sand it off. Get the water. Okay. Shoot. Here, hold this.
I gotta do this. Alright, so.
Oh no, it's not gonna come off. Oh man.
We have one headlight looking good.
I'm trying to take this off, it doesn't come off. Alright guys, one done. The other one might have to. It's really taking off the sandpaper. Alright guys, something went wrong. Get the other sandpaper quick.
What if it disintegrates the other sandpaper? We have to buy a third kit.
Okay, just hurry up.
We don't have to.
Ah, man, what are we gonna do? It doesn't come off.
You can just run it like that.
Gito screwed up and now we only have... I told you to get the other kit. But no, Gito wanted to be cheap and only use one.
That is the most disgusting headlight I've ever seen.
Bro, it's gonna be it's gonna look like our E90 lost an eye like in a fight. Cause like one's like really yellowed and the other one's white.
Alright, so we're gonna let the headlight cure for like 15 minutes and then we're gonna sand it down. So rule of thumb is, if you think you're gonna run out of spray, buy a second bottle. Don't do what I do and try to use the remaining first bottle and run out halfway through and then have to sand down again. That's like half an hour to an hour gone. So we'll catch you in 15 minutes. Alright guys, so while we're waiting for the headlight to cure, what I'm going to do is I'm going to fix my volume knob right here. This little guy right here, it fell off from here. And we're just going to super glue it right back on. There you go. Boom. Quick and easy. All right guys, so it's been about 15 minutes now. So we're sanding down the headlight, the one that we were only able to spray halfway. Let's hope that the second round actually works and that the spray comes off.
Did you see that punch? This? Yeah. Yeah, you can do that with this one.
Hey, no.
No.
All right guys, we gotta go back to the shop and get more headlight restore. My dad tried to...
One day this will be my car.
What?
When you get an M3, man, I modify it so much. And just let me be recognized. V10.
Okay, stop, you're scaring you.
Soppy, you're scaring him. I'm like, okay, Patrick over here.
You guys are probably asking, what would Gita do different the second time? Well, first of all, he would have somebody other than Max helping him. And two, I wouldn't have used it all on the first headlight.
It's already curing.
All right, so we'll give it 15 minutes to cure and we'll get back to you guys. Oh my gosh, guys.
Wow.
Alright, so next step is I'm gonna remove the tape, clean everything up a bit, and then maybe go take some pictures.
Alright, skip to the cinematics, boys. Alright guys, so we finished
300 feet, turn right.
We finished up with the headlight restoration. It looks like 10 out of 10. The only one is the passenger headlight, but besides that, 10 out of 10, they look amazing. So I need to put air in my tire, get some gas, and then we're gonna head down to the Aerospace Museum. It's a pretty popular spot, so we're gonna head down there right now as soon as I put gas and put some air in my tire. We're gonna go take some pictures down there of the new headlight. So it should look really good. So we'll catch you then.
Then turn left again.
All right, guys. So we're out here at the Aerospace Museum. We're gonna try to take some pictures over here. We got some. Where's the planes? We got some planes in the background over here. So we're gonna see if we can get in. Normally this right here is unlocked, but we came here a bit late. They closed at 4 o'clock and it's 5 p.m. right now. So we're gonna see if we can park the car in front of it so we can get some shots in front of the airplane right here. Let's see if we can get some good shots or not.